This is Keo. Hi, Keo. And Keo wants to get a treat. Keo is a 5-year-old Labrador and a Bloodhound mix. And he really looks like a lab more than anything. He is a very handsome fella. He's very sweet. He loves to get kisses. And he's very excitable too. Yeah, it's a good boy. So he'll probably do best in a house where there aren't little kids and toddlers, because he's a big boy and a strong boy. He doesn't have a mean bone in his body, but he could knock them over on accident. Keo. Yo, good kisses. Bonnie, why are you hiding? Come up. Come here, sweetie. Bonnie, come here. So this little girl hiding in her cone is Bonnie. And she's keeping her head down so no one can see her. Bonnie is still a puppy. She's a 1-year-old border collie. And she is very, very sweet. A little bit shy. It's a little too loud in here for her. But she's a good and sweet dog. And she's wagging her tail for us. Oh, what a good girl. Hi, sweetie. So she has just been fixed. That's why she's got her cone on. And she's a very sweet animal. She'll make somebody a great loving pet. Very sweet. Oh, you won't get up even to get a treat? You're silly. Hi, sweetie. You gonna go back and hide under there? Yeah. So this is Spice. Spice, come here. And Spice is going to be our dog of the week this week. This little girl is named Spice. Spice is a spayed border collie mix pup. Spice is only 1.5 years old, so she's going to be very active and love to run around. She would make a great exercise partner for her new family. Walking, hiking, running, all of that sounds great to her. She likes playing with balls. She likes playing tug-of-war. She loves all of her stuffed animals, and she is a very happy girl in general. She loves all of her toys and likes to play, as you'd expect from any puppy. She will take care of all the bears in your neighborhood. She can have fun outside or inside playing rainy day games. She likes to stay busy and keep moving. Spice can come off as a little bit shy in her kennel, but it only takes her a little while to warm up to people. You can request meeting Spice outside of her kennel so her playful personality can shine through. Come in and meet Spice. This is Jackson, our senior rat terrier mix. And we're very happy that we have Jackson committed to rescue. So, bon voyage, Jackson. And this big guy is Rainier. Rainier is about 5 years old, and he is a neutered pit bull. And he is super friendly and likes people. You can see his very waggly tail, likes his treats. Very playful guy. Now he is a big boy, so you might not want this guy around little kids. He could knock them over on accident, so we're looking for teenage kids if they're in the family. Will probably be about the right size for Rainier. He's a friendly fella, likes people, not very shy. And he's going to be active for a good while longer, only being 5 years old. He was our dog of the week last week. If you have the internet access, you can go to the Clackamas County Government Channel website and go to their cable communications page and find a link to their videos, and there is a 2-minute video highlighting Rainier and all his goodness. We'll see you later, Rainier. Okay, this little guy is Sprocket. And Sprocket is a Border Terrier mix. And he's a happy little guy, likes people. He's 4 years old. Hi, buddy. He's got a waggly tail to greet people with. He's very happy about treats. So he should be easy to train. That love of cookies he's got. He's got some gray color on his face, but that is probably due to his breed. The white vesting, he has a white patch on his chest. He's still too young for the gray beard. That's just natural color. Hi, buddy. What a good dog. Oh, he barks for treats. Well, he does know how to talk. Sing for his supper. So this is not Rainier again. This is a little new guy at the shelter named Bowser. And Bowser was an owner surrender. That happens sometimes when situations change for people and they can't keep their doggy anymore. So this one had an owner, and so he's gone through some training, and it looks like he's a little bit sad about being here. I get it, Bowser. So he's 6 years old, and he is neutered already. Hi, buddy. Yeah. So he's a little bit shy, put off about the shelter. He should be ready for adoption after Thanksgiving sometime. It's a nice feller. I'd like to meet his new forever home. Good boy. This is one that the staff is calling Fennel. And Fennel is a puppy, a Brittany Cocker Spaniel. And Fennel is new to the shelter, not quite available. So if she comes available, it'll be after Thanksgiving sometime. You can call the number on the screen for information. Very sweet doggy. Looks to really like people. Wants to come out and play. So it's still a puppy. It's going to have a lot of energy. And it's going to have to learn all the things that puppies have to learn. Hi there. You're a good doggy, aren't you? You like to jump. So this one is going to take a lot of time at the park and running around. That's what puppies are good for. Yeah. This little guy is new to the shelter too. His name is Bentley. And he's not happy to be here. He's a little too shy. This place is too loud for him. But he wants his pets. He wants to get up in somebody's lap. Oh yeah, he does. He likes his pets a lot. Hi, Bentley. He doesn't like the loud noises here. What a good doggy. That's a good dog. Oh. Hi there, buddy. So more interested in getting hugs than treats. But he'll take a few treats. Bentley is 7 years old, and he's a border collie mix. And just look. Loves people and attention. And he'll take a cookie too. So Bentley should come available after Thanksgiving. So last week we did not have a name for this guy. This week we do. It's Adam. And so Adam has not come up for adoption yet, but he should be available soon. He's a 4-year-old Labrador Retriever Pit Bull mix. Hi, and he's got a beautiful dark coat. And he seems very friendly. He's still going to be an active dog for many more years. So he's another one that should come available soon. So this one's LaBouffe, like the actor. And LaBouffe is a Labrador Retriever English Springer Spaniel mix. And he likes to smile. Hi, buddy. Looks very friendly. Hi, buddy. I think he just wants to... excuse me. I think he just wants to get a hug or two. Go outside, maybe. Hi, buddy. So we'll learn more about him as he stays. He's another one that's not available yet. We'll see how he does after Thanksgiving. If you're interested and want to know more about LaBouffe, give us a call.